Hi, I'm Joe from Q-Tech Spray, and today I'm going to show you how to change the tip and tip seal on your Tritec airless gun. First of all, we're going to take the tip guard off the gun by unscrewing it anti-clockwise. We're then going to remove the tip from the guard, and inside the guard you will see there is a tip seal. To remove the tip seal, we take the end of the Tritec tip and push it, and the tip will come out like so. This is a half moon shaped tip, which obviously follows the body of the tip. To reinsert this tip, you take the Tritec tip again into the back of the tip seal, push it in like so, and in the back of the guard you will then push it in and insert it so that it lines up with the half moon shape within the guard until that clicks in tight. We'll then screw this back onto the gun until it's tight. We then back this off half a turn so that the tip guard is loose, and insert your tip like so before retightening it. This will ensure that it doesn't leak paint out the back of the thread otherwise. And that is as simple as changing your tip seal.